Ooh, so pretty. Uh-oh. What do you see, Einstein? You see somebody out there? They made their little nook over there where they can just see out. There's a pile of my vine leaves. I don't know where I'm collecting them. I don't think there's a way I'm going to be able to attach them back on. I was kind of hoping that if I just gave them to them, that they would leave it alone, but they've about eaten all of my vines up. And Beaver's up there working on them. See, they're like half string lights, half vines now. Because somebody's busy tearing them up. Well, actually right now I think she's just playing with the stuffed animal, which is amazing. Because I'm truly shocked that the lights even work still. There we go. Now you're all lit up. Wait a second. Half that strand is not working. Uh-oh. Some of the strands are working. Some of them aren't now. Well, not the best thing to have when you have birds. Just realize they will make them their toy. They'll think everything's for them. But it's okay. It's so cute. You got some flamingos, Beeper? You're standing on some flamingos? Say flamingo, mommy, flamingo. Like lights. Yep, you like the lights. Oh my gosh, she really likes the lights. Are those yours? Little brat. Got you chewing up your leaf over here. She's mad Beeper's got the lights, and she's like, I got